Today we're going to recreate the looks that I did on Camille Razat. What's really nice about Camille is that she's already using Authentic Beauty concept now for quite some while. So you really see that her hair is thicker, healthier and looks so much more nicer. So for me that's a perfect base to start with the next coming looks. However, today we have a model which we also need to prep. So we start first at the washing area to really nourish the hair, choosing the right products that fits with her hair. And then I have a nice canvas to start off with the styling products that we're going to do after this. So I'm going to use the Cool Glow Cleanser on Eileen's hair because she has a little bit of yellowish in the hair and I want to take that out. But it will also give me a little bit more shine that I want to achieve in the hair. After this, I'm going to use the Beauty Potion, but I do an intermixing with the Replenish Conditioner to even add some more shine and also that my hair is nicely prepared for my next look. For the intermixing, I used 4 pumps of Replenish Conditioner and then 2 pipettes of the Beauty Potion. And then I mix them together. I start in the very ends and then I work towards the roots. The development time of this conditioner is up to 5 minutes. For this look that we did on Camille Razat, the Tousled undone look, I'm going to start first brushing the hair, and you already feel that there's like a nice structure and it feels nice and soft because we have a nice base that we did on the washing area. I'm going to section the hair first in 4 sections so I can divide the product very well, so I have the same amount of product on both sides. I'm going to start off with the Cosmic Blow Dry Jelly. While blow drying, it really adds and really gives volume to the hair. And it also leaves a fuller hair feel. What's also nice about the Cosmic Blow Dry Jelly, it also is a heat protection. This is also the reason why I use it now before I'm starting to do a blow dry. I'm going to use now at the roots a little bit of the Nymph Salt Spray just to give that extra hints and volume on top of the blow dry jelly, and just take sections from the back and then you work your way towards the top length, brush it through, and then we start drying with our fingers. And then I start first drying the hair upside down, especially when you use your fingers to add also extra volume to the hair. So after you've been done with the drying with your hands, brush everything to the back. And you already see that there's still a lot of volume already in her hair. Just put the hair a little bit to the front, push it to the front, and then see where her natural center parting is, which is a little bit off on Eileen's hair, but that's totally fine because it's nice to get her own look. I said more her authentic way of wearing her hair. Then I'm going to use the working hairspray, and then we're going to use the straight iron. It's a nice sort of S pattern that you make. And what you get more like this rock and roll kind of hairdo, which is undone, but still you see that there's something in the hair and you can really custom made it. So for example, around the ear, you're not going to make a flat wave on top. Just keep the hair straight. And it's also a bit of feel where you don't want to push it out too much around the ear. So around the ear it should be more straight. Push the hair to the front. Then go up, then you go down. And actually you push the hair towards the iron. And this is what you get. When you take it out, you have this natural, relaxed curl. And if you find it too much, you can always stretch it out a little bit. And make it more flat. So it's actually really nice how to make a nice wave without making it too much. And you don't have to do all the hair. I'm almost finished now, but you don't want to brush it through because I do like it when you brush it, it becomes soft and powdery, and you do want to have that extra shine in the hair. So if you do want to loosen it up, take a big comb, start underneath, and just comb in between. Then I'm going to use the airy texture spray in between. When you use the airy texture spray, shake before you're going to spray it. And I start always underneath. So I lift up the hair, spray at the roots, but also in between. And a little bit random, because it's nice to have some spots to have a little bit more shine and other spots a little bit more that powdery feel to the hair. And you really see that the hair becomes a little bit bigger. So this is why it's been called the airy texture spray. I think it's a brilliant spray to make the hair more movable. It's still lighter, but you still keep the shape in the right position. Or you can use a shaping cream if you want to add more shine in the inside of the palms and on the outside. And just go through with your hands and just touch it on certain spots. I like to use it more in the very ends. And you see that I'm really like squeezing it in the very ends, like if you're massaging the hair. So you see also more depth. And then the structure even pops out even more. So here we go, we have like a beautiful tousled undone blow dry, inspired by the look that we did for Camille Razat. We used the following products: the Cool Glow Cleanser, the Replenish Conditioner, together with the Beauty Potion, the Nymph Salt Spray, the Cosmic Blow Dry Jelly, the Working Hairspray, the Airy Texture Spray, and we end with the Shaping Cream. Thank you for joining us today, and if you have any questions, just press the button below and then we come back to you as soon as possible.